What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on the RedNote app, also known as Xiao Hongshu, so you can use it in English. First, open the RedNote app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. From the side menu that opens, find and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, go to General Settings, which is usually the second option in the list. Next, tap on Language. This will bring up a list of available languages. Select English from the list. After you choose it, the app will automatically refresh and apply the new language. Once the refresh is complete, RedNote will now be displayed in English, making it much easier to navigate and explore content. And that's it. That's how you change the language on the RedNote app in just a few steps. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.